Welcome back to our daytime Thanksgiving Day special. We are so excited to be continuing the holiday fun here at Dempsey's Jewelers in Johnson City, talking about all the pretty things that can go underneath that tree this holiday season. We've got Chris Jordan here with us, and Chris, you guys are all decorated, certainly ready to embrace the holidays.
We are, as we were talking just a few minutes ago. 2020 has been a different year, and because of that, I think everybody's kind of a little bit more excited about the holidays coming quicker than ever this year. And so, yes, we're decorated, we're ready. It's going to be here now before we know it, so we want to be ready as soon as we possibly could.
Yeah, right around the corner, the Christmas music is going, and we were just talking a little bit, of course, about the history of Dempsey's and the family business, and just such a cool story behind this place.
Thank you. It's as we mentioned before, you know, my father began this company, Dempsey's Jewelers, and my father is Dempsey Jordan, and began back in the 70s repairing jewelry. So we come from a jewelry background of being on the bench, true bench jewelers. My dad began, as I said, back in the 70s, and that's where this company was founded. And to this day, still a major part of our business is repairing jewelry and taking care of people's heirlooms and those special items that are so important to them, recreating them, refurbishing them, repairing them when they're broke, resizing them, doing all those adjustments. And one of the important things I think for us to make sure our customers understand and know is that everything's done here on premises. We have 4 full-time jewelers going at it all day, every day. And everything is done right back here in our shop, right here on premises. So when a customer comes in to have their cherished piece sized or adjusted or whatever it is, it never leaves our shop. And so that's one thing we're really proud of, and I'm really proud of our jewelers. They do an amazing job. They're very, very talented, have years of experience, and they just do a superb job for our customers.
Yeah, you talk about how busy out here and the people and the activity, and usually this is what the public sees, but there is a whole nother world back here where the magic really happens.
That's it. There's a lot going on behind the scenes, and we always wish that people could see. Everybody likes to see behind the scenes.
Yeah.
So on our website and our YouTube channel, there's some different ways of seeing that and seeing the behind the scenes, and we try to do some more of that with our social media. But we have some very talented jewelers. We have a very talented custom department as well, and so we do all of our CAD designing here in-house. We do all of our casting here in town. We have a separate facility for that, but all of our casting is done here in Johnson City. Literally most everything that we make is done here in Johnson City. There's a few things, if it has to be cast in platinum or maybe a different metal, that we would send to New York. Otherwise, it's created right here in Johnson City.
Pretty special story.
Absolutely.
And of course, today being Thanksgiving, you guys are closed, but tomorrow the fun really begins.
That's right. So Black Friday is going to be here before we know it, and tomorrow is Black Friday. So we're going to have a lot of specials going on. We always call Black Friday and Small Business Saturday those exciting fun days. We don't do the crazy hours, but we'll be here regular hours. On Black Friday, we'll be here from 9 to 5:30, and on Small Business Saturday, we'll be here from 10 to 6. But what we'll be doing those days are what we call Secret Santa specials. And we will have different parts of the store on sale. We're going to be having some exciting giveaways. So with every purchase that a customer makes that day, they'll be entered to win a gift certificate. So we have several gift certificates to give away. And then we have some diamond earrings that we're going to be giving away. Everybody loves diamond earrings, especially free. And then we have Pandora is going to be 35% off, which is really cool because normally they don't do a lot of specials. So 35% off all Pandora. Eleganza is going to be 20% off. Our pearl merchandise is going to be 20% off. And these are true percentages off. We don't raise our prices to lower them back down. So all of our watches are going to be 20% off. So there's just a lot of exciting things going on those 2 days, especially Small Business Saturday. We really like to promote small businesses and local businesses. So on Small Business Saturday, we're going to have some specials too.
And I noticed too, everybody here really seems to enjoy what they do, and that really shows when you're helping someone sort of pick out that special gift.
Absolutely. We've got, I say it all the time, we've got some of the most special people in the world working for this team. And we've got some very special people that just love what they do, and they love jewelry, and they love helping customers. And I think you can see that when you walk in the door at Dempsey's Jewelers.
Yeah, pearls, diamonds, watches, repairs, custom work, full circle here.
Absolutely, we do it all. So, and we service it all, and we pride ourselves on customer service. We want to take care of you now and after the sale. And so we can do that, especially with the talent that we have and the staff that we have. We can take care of all your needs.
Give everybody the information. It is Dempsey's Jewelers right here on People Street in Johnson City. Don't forget, of course, closed on this Thanksgiving, but opening up for Black Friday and Small Business Saturday and the rest of the holiday season. The preceding portion of Daytime Tri-Cities was sponsored by